In today's video, we'll show you how to download and log in to MetaTrader 5. First things first, if you haven't registered with Hola Prime Markets yet, make sure to do that. After creating a demo or live account, you'll receive your login credentials on your registered email address. Now, let's download the MT5 platform. Simply log into the portal and click on Platforms here. Click on MT5 and a new page will open. Then, click on the Windows icon and the file for the MT5 desktop version will be downloaded to your system. Once you've installed and opened the platform, this is the default MT5 layout you'll see. Now, let's log into your account. Start by going to File in the top left corner of the platform. Here, click on Open an Account. Select Hola Prime Limited. If it doesn't show up, just type the same in the search bar. Click Next. Now, choose Connect with an existing trade account. Enter your login credentials and select the server Hola Prime-Server 1. Click Finish, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.